Alrighty, what we have here is a GMC General truck tractor by AMT model kits. Over 300 super detailed parts with Coca-Cola labels and or decals. This is only part one of a two-part build. Honestly, there's a trailer that goes behind this. I bought this to go with my wife's Christmas display, and I was looking all over the internet trying to find something on this model, and I only saw a couple of actual reviews of this kit, and they all pretty much sucked. So I decided I'd go ahead and do a review of this kit and show you what's in the box and start with the build, though I'm not going to do the build, any part of the build in this beginning video. Let me go ahead and shut off the camera, open up the box, and we'll show you what's inside. Alright, first of all, here are all the bags of parts, and I have absolutely no doubt there are 300 parts in this kit. Now, it's supposed to be 12 3/4 inches long. I'm sure that's probably the truth too. First of all, we've got the cab, interior parts, exterior parts, more of the same, the engine, etc. Now, one of the first things that I learned when I went in the Navy was how to work on automotive and diesel mechanics, which I had already been working on automotive, but diesel mechanics were a whole new thing with me, and they are totally different. So I'm going to be really interested in building this and going over every step of it. I will make sure to keep you guys informed. Most of my friends and associates, followers, are Star Trek modelers, but not all are. So I want to make sure that I show every step of this build, including painting, instructions, the whole bit. As you see here, we've got clear parts and colored transparent parts. Directions. Now, the one thing different about this compared to the other AMT kits is the first page is a complete show of all parts. Standard AMT directions. I'm sorry, this looks like a really good kit. Now, we will definitely see more of this in the future, but I wanted to make sure to show at least the very beginning of all the parts. I looked all over for a good kit review on YouTube, and there just wasn't anything. There were a couple of guys, but they didn't really get into the kit. So I'm going to get into the kit. I'm going to show every aspect of the build of this. In fact, I'm going to go over the directions. I'm going to show pulling all the parts off the trees, painting every aspect, getting every single piece of this model kit correct before Christmas. That's a fact, because this has to be done for my wife's Christmas display. So there will be a lot more to come. There you go. The GMC General Tractor by AMT, 300 parts, Coke version, Coke decals, etc. More to come.